Hi, I'm Brett.
And I'm Gidianny.
And welcome to the Timber Frame Project. I'm a carpenter en route to becoming a timber framer.
And I keep Brett in line and work on the videos. So although you might not see me in the videos as much, I'm still pretty much involved all the time.
On our channel, we'll be posting videos about my timber frame projects, as well as tips and tricks as I learn them.
So stay tuned. We post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Subscribe so that you can watch the new content every week, and we'd love to hear from you too, so comment below. Thanks. So stay tuned with us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
That was a beautiful one, until you blew it.
Sorry. Yeah.